To remove or replace the woofer assembly, first remove the TouchMat, the right rear cover, the left rear cover, and separate the column assembly from the rest of the unit. Remove the column front cover. Squeeze the top and bottom of the mesh grill covering the woofer assembly and pull firmly out to remove the mesh grill. Snip the cable tie securing the black woofer connector to other column connectors. Detach the 3 silver wide Torx head screws for the docking board and bracket assembly, and partially remove the assembly to access the woofer connector on the back of the assembly. Remove the woofer connector from the docking board and fish it out from under the docking board assembly bracket. Remove the 4 large black Torx head screws for the woofer assembly. Note that the bottom 2 screws are inside recessed access holes. Pull the woofer assembly out of the unit. To replace the woofer assembly, place the woofer assembly back into the unit and secure it with its 4 large black Torx head screws. Fish the connector for the woofer back under the docking board bracket. And attach the connector to the docking board. Align the docking board assembly back over its standoffs. And secure it with its 3 silver Torx head screws. Secure the woofer connector with a cable tie to other nearby column connectors. Press the woofer mesh grill cover back into place.